Current project, gravity-assisted pulse motor two-stage oscillator configuration. We're decreasing the weight on the opposite end of the balance beam to 50. We're going to add a third balance beam, and then that way there, basically one will be lifting as the other two are falling. So there'll always be 100 pounds of falling weight applied to the drive shaft on the other end. We'll have to fabricate another rack and pinion configuration, and this is just with 5 pounds on the pendulum. It's very easy to push back and forth manually, which means we should have better results when we try the electromagnet next time, and we'll post results when available. So basically what we're doing is we're dividing up the heavy mass into more balance beams, and two will always be falling as one is being reset. We'll have to increase the RPM, or the gears, on the transmission back to a 1 to 6 configuration. Right now it's at a 1 to 3, so that'll give us we need at least 300 RPM on the output shaft to drive the permanent magnet alternator, and to get a sufficient output, and we'll see how it goes. I'll post results when available. Hope everybody stays cool. We'll still be able to use the circuit that we created, and it should function a lot better because we're not pushing as much current through the electromagnets. So the whole idea sort of makes sense. Thanks for watching. We'll post results when available. Probably be a couple of weeks. Everybody stay cool. Cheers. So that's 5 pounds on the pendulum. Real easy to operate, and we're getting a nice up and down deflection on the opposite end as a result. So yeah, things are looking up. A little more labor. Stay cool. Cheers.